It's Keaton. We're about to go out and shoot a pistol, but I'm hiding out in the baby's room because I took my phone out of the baby's hand. Now he's flipping out. So I'm hiding out with my phone in here. I didn't bring my GoPro. I don't know why, but I'm about to go out there, shoot the pistol, and yeah, that'll be today's video. Right, so we're about to go walk out in the woods and shoot it. We have a few targets, so yeah. Alright, so we're walking to the spot. By the way, we're shooting a 380. So, yeah, I have the mag and the bullets. So, let's get there. Alright, so we have the targets set out.
Yeah, they're stickers.
We're going to be shooting this little red dot right here. We have it set up on a box. And yeah.
Who's first?
Just gonna be shooting all around here. Oh, I want to go first. I want to go first. Can I go first? Woohoo!
I don't know if he hit it.
He did.
Nope.
Alright, this is my mom's second time ever shooting a gun in her whole entire life. So, I wish her all luck with that. Alright, Mom just shot. She doesn't want to be on YouTube, so I'm not going to post her shooting. But we're about to reload the gun, and then it'll be my turn. So, yeah.
Good. Hold it tighter.
Oh, now he hit it.
Ow, that
Use all your ammo. That's fine.
That went in the woods.
Yeah, try
I
shooting
saw
again.
it hit something.
Did it?
Yeah,
Dusted up some dirt.
yeah. Behind the target, or behind the box.
Oh well.
I don't know where that one hit.
No, I don't.
Plants. To the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're done shooting the gun. We're about to go back to my house and just chill out. So yeah, see you guys.